Hello everyone, here is Dr. Kamran Sandhu. Today's topic is exploratory, descriptive and explanatory research. Exploratory research. The goal of exploratory research is to formulate problems, clarify concepts and form hypotheses. Explorative studies are undertaken when new area is needed for investigation. And when we know little about our area of interest, it is actually used to investigate the full nature of the phenomena and other factors related to it. Methods for exploratory research. There are different methods that can be adopted with respect to exploratory research. The very first is literature review, that we have to go through the past research and we will try to find some solutions or some support as required. Then interview, we can conduct some interviews and we can have in-depth views from the participants. Pilot study, we can do a pilot study. Pilot study means that we will do a smaller, simpler study with little sample, and then we will calculate the result, and if results are okay, then we will implement that study to the other sampling frame members. Then experimental survey, focus group discussion. So it is very good that there are 8 to 10 people and we are sitting and we are getting to know the real information from them. And finally, the case study. Descriptive research. Descriptive research is actually describing problem and its solution. And it requires clear specification of who, what, when, where, and how of the research. So this is focusing, but at one side, finding the problem, like the problem statement, leading toward the solution after passing through the whole system, the whole set of research tools. Methods of descriptive research. So there are 3 methods available here. The first one is survey. So for conducting survey, we will discuss in later lessons about instrument development, questionnaire development, then there is a case study method, then observation method. So there are different methods, and with the help of these tools, we can collect the required information. Explanatory research. This research focuses on causal links between factors and variables that pertain to the research problem. Sometimes we say it as analytical study, that there are indicators, variables, and there are paths coming from a variable. There are certain paths in the conceptual model showing that, for example, variable A and variable B, an arrow is moving from one side to other side. And we have to calculate their impact. And later on, we will talk about path coefficient, correlation, regression, and finally, we can have results like a reliability test, validity test, and many more things. But it is an analytical study. Explanatory research design focuses on explaining the structure in detail. So if I will talk about structure, and if there is a conceptual model, so always a model is a combination of 2 sub-models. One is structural model and other one is measurement model. So we will look into it, that how to get information from them. Methods of explanatory research are literature review, study of single problem, focus group discussion, case analysis research, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video.